Hi guys. Okay, let me show you how I'm making this beautiful taxidermy artwork. It's a dome actually, but you can see it better without the glass, of course. So I will put the glass on here in a minute, but look how absolutely gorgeous this piece is. Just too pretty. This also will be for sale on my Etsy, but it will hurt because I'm in love with this piece. Look how pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, I'm in love with it. I'm absolutely in love with it. But I have to sell it because I can't keep everything that I love, because I love almost everything I make. But yeah, I love it. I will show you with the glass. This is with the glass. I freaking love it. So let me show you and show you the step-by-step process I make to make this. Okay, so I forgot to film the entire demolding process, but here you go. It's absolutely beautiful. And to remind you, we're going with this butterfly. The butterfly will come softly on top of the hand. And the dome I'm going to use is like a cold dome. It is pretty big, so let me check. I'm not sure. I think I want to do something more. A moment. Okay, I think I will go with something like this. It's not glued down yet, so I'm being very careful. And I was thinking, instead of doing the butterfly on top, that I will do one like this and one on top like this. Okay, so we are going to use some UV epoxy. And because we're going to use some epoxy, we're going to put some gloves on. And let's start with this one. I'm going to just put a dot on what touches the bottom. Maybe one more over here. And we will see if that's good enough. I mean, Probably not, but we will see. So just to be sure, I'm going to add a bit, okay, oh, quite a lot more. And let's see, because this is going to be the bottom, so this needs to be the most secure of all of them. Okay, so now that it is secure, we're going to put, one moment, we're also going to use the UV glue to put the hand on here. But that will take a few rounds, most likely. But it needs to be as secure as possible. So yeah. Wait. I'm gonna do it the other way around. Like this. This is better. I'm first going to cure the first layer. I was too rough. The first layer. And after that we are going to go all around the hand with the UV epoxy. And I will be back after, because it's just not interesting.